So last weekend, we gave away not one, but two RVs to the Make-A-Wish Foundation. These families were waiting for over 3 years, so we were really excited to be a part of that process and just to help them turn miles into memories. And, that's our motto here at Wade's RV. Some of my favorite childhood memories are RV camping. Justin, I brought him here. He's our product specialist, and he's been in the RV industry for 5 years, and you like to go out to Grand Lake?
Man, I love Grand Lake. I got a side-by-side, so I'm off-roading a lot. Out there you can get muddy. You can ride all night long. It's got the water. Of course, it's got a swimming hole. So when I take the boys out there, they can swim while I'm out in the woods. It's just a really nice spot. Of course, they got the whole lake on the other side of the dam, but we're all the ways down in Disney on the mud side.
Okay, so tell me about your experience with last weekend. We gave those two RVs away.
Man,
I want to know your perspective.
It's really good. Of course, this is a family industry, man. You're coming out to RV so you can spend time with your family. You can get out there. So especially seeing someone in a Make-A-Wish Foundation, someone who doesn't have the opportunity to do that otherwise, they get an entire camper. Now, they're probably at the lake this weekend with their family enjoying those campers. So it's something you just can't beat. So when you get to see somebody give away something to somebody that's really needing, it makes you feel good about where you work.
Yeah,
sure.
And it was really awesome to hear their story, and they were waiting for over 3 years because of COVID and other things that happened with the supply chain in the RV industry. So it was awesome to kind of
because it got thin for a while there. It really did get thin. You got to where you come on a lot, and okay, I'll settle for that one because that's the only choice there was. But we got plenty of selection. For sure. This, like the one we're in now, of course, is a beautiful unit. This is a 2019 Airstream. It's a 30 RB, so it's a flying cloud. It's going to have 2 ACs on it. It's got 2 solar panels on top. It's day-night shades on all the windows. Just, of course, everything you could possibly have with some of the best insulation. I mean, we've got the door open sitting in here, and, of course, I'm fat, so I sweat a lot, and so that's not a big deal. But other than that, it's actually pretty cool in here. It's just, overall, just a very nice, very clean unit, and just built with perfection.
So there's a lot of amenities that I see just at a glance. Could you tell me some of the amenities that people should really look for when they're out here shopping for a brand new RV or a gently used one like this?
Oh yeah, definitely. So of course it's all about personal preference, and what you're doing is you're buying a nice lifestyle. So it's counter space. If you're a coffee pot drinker, make sure you got enough counter space that you can put your coffee pot up there. If you know you're going to be using that microwave a lot, make sure it's a convection microwave so that you can cook the little crispy pizzas instead of the ovens that they put in there. But this one's going to have both, which is kind of a plus. Then again, your blinds. Make sure your blinds are nice enough that it actually knocks the light out and things like that. Anything of size, of course, you want the 2 ACs. And from there, you just come in and we'll just, ask you a couple questions. We'll narrow it down and show you about the 4 or 5 trailers that really perfectly fit what you're looking for.
Now, Justin, what is your favorite feature on this unit?
My favorite features, again, I would probably say number 1, overall, space. For a unit that has no slide out, you cannot get the type of space that an Airstream has. So that would be, and I'm a big guy, not a little guy at all. So it's pretty important to have enough space in here. And I got a couple of boys. So once they get in here too, if all of us are in here, you got to have enough space for the entire family. So that's really nice in this one.
Okay, so I know right now we're selling a lot of travel trailers. Do you know what the most popular unit that we're selling right now at Wade's RV?
In the travel trailers, the most popular, that's a hard, they're all going, the Aspen Trail's rocking it right now. We are rocking out a lot of Aspen Trails. The Wildwoods are kind of catching up. They got a lot of nice features. My Heartland products, my Sundances are really blown out of the water. They got some really nice shorter floor plans that give you recliners and things like that where you can sit right across from the TV in a recliner and put your feet up in an RV. So at Wade's RV, we have something in every size for every budget, and we're working with those local credit unions and banks to make sure that we get you guys the best possible interest rate. Sonny, I think you could be taking this out this weekend. What do you say?
I think that sounds like a deal to me. I was just sitting there thinking, boy, I want to, if there's a music festival around somewhere, I can drive one of those. Thank you for showing it to us. They're gorgeous.